If your Amazon Fire TV's YouTube app is not working, it won't open and crashes, or gets stuck on blank screen, doesn't load anything and shows something went wrong, or an error occurred, then here's how you fix YouTube on your Fire TV in a matter of minutes. If YouTube is not working, then the first thing that we should check is our TV's internet connection. And you can easily do that by using another app that requires internet. If the other app doesn't work, then you'll have to troubleshoot your internet first. Another reason why YouTube may not load is if your TV has a wrong system time. To check that, you'll need to go to Settings, then Preferences, then go down to Time Zone and make sure the displayed time is correct. If it isn't, then you can try switching to a different time zone and then switch back. This should refresh your TV's system time and YouTube should start working. If YouTube still won't work, then the most effective way to fix this will be cold booting your Amazon Fire TV. And to do that, you'll need to unplug it from power, wait for at least 3 minutes, then plug your TV back in and give YouTube another try. For some reason, if YouTube still doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do is first try clearing YouTube app's data and then reinstall it. To do that, from the settings page, open Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications, find YouTube from the list, then hit Clear Data. If clearing cache wasn't enough, then from the same list you can also uninstall the YouTube app, then install it back. And this will definitely fix the YouTube app on your Fire TV, so you can start enjoying your favorite content. Let us know how it went. If this worked, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more.